Okay, here we have the Sony ICF-C1T in white and black. This is dependable Sony quality with the current designs. This has automatic time setting, dual independent alarms, automatic daylight savings time adjustment, wake to radio or buzzer alarm. It is a 15 to 90 minute sleep timer, 1-inch display, 3 brightness controls, low, medium, and high. And why I didn't turn the white one on is because I wanted to show you, no matter where you are, when you plug your Sony in, it sets itself automatically in any time zone, and I really like that feature. Okay, now you can also customize your snooze from 10 to 60 minutes. I like these clocks. They have very simple controls on the top and back. They have a nice loud speaker on the side of them. Just good quality Sony product, and I'm going to turn the alarm on for you right now.